We're here at the KitPlus Show in Media City. I'm on the Argosy booth and I'm with Chris. Hi Chris, how you doing?
Hi, good to see you again.
Good to see you too. Now Chris, you've got lots going on here.
Yep.
Particularly we're looking at Guntermann Drunk and Bluebell. Tell us what these products are.
Yeah, so we're very well known for infrastructure products, as you know, generally cable and connectors and racking solutions. We've added more active devices to our range now as well. So we've got the KVM switch from G&D, which allows multiple operators to connect to devices from remote locations, and also the Bluebell devices for obviously moving, converting different signals from copper to fibre, moving stuff onto the internet. So really moving away from just passive infrastructure into active devices as well.
Yeah, and what sort of interest are you getting in these products?
Yeah, very much so. We've got some proof of concepts in the UK already. Okay. We've had some real positive sales already going on. So, you know, onwards and upwards, you know, not only in the UK, but also in our Middle East market as well.
Yeah.
So again, the KitPlus Show gives us an opportunity to see different audiences and multiple people in one day in each different location. So really positive for us.
Yeah. What sort of evolutions are you seeing in this sort of technology?
Really, it's gone from device-to-device connection to really allowing multiple users to connect to multiple devices, and also online as well into IP. So moving 4K video over IP through KVM from remote locations. So yeah, absolutely.
Cool. Where can people find out more if they haven't made it to Salford today?
If they can either come and see us at the show, or they can visit us on our website at www.argosicable.com.
Chris, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.
Apologies for the noise. We've got lots going on here at the show. You can find out everything that we've been talking to exhibitors about on kitplus.com.